So today we are with our first beer intelligence video, and in this video I'm going to start with a data set which we'll be using again and again in our all projects from now onwards. So this is a fictional data set for a beer company called Kingfisher, which is India's largest producer of beer in India. And as you can see, there are many columns in this data set. So this is beer sales data. So first column is order ID, order date time. So these columns are self-explanatory. Then day of the week, and this is week number and month, product name. So if I'll put filter over here, so you'll have for 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, so 5 products are there for this beer company. And if I'll put filter over here, this you can see, like, for each brand there is a 330 ml can. 330 ml P means a pint, a small bottle, and 500 ml can, and then 50 liters keg. So K means keg. So this is the thing, and the same thing we have mentioned in this column I over here, which is 300 ml bottle, can, and then J column has pint, bottle, and everything, right? And this is the quantity of each unit over here, and this is unit price of each SKU or the can. Then total amount, how much, what was the discount given, and this is discounted amount, tax that they have paid, and so on. And this is the volume, this is the region, this is the city. So there are different cities over here. And after getting this data, of course we'll explain other columns later as well. And the other column which is important over here is the mode of payment. So you can see CAD, cash, card, credit card, NEFT, which is sort of one payment format in India, and UPI, which is like Phone Pay, Paytm, and Google Pay, other stuff in India. And now challenge for us over here is how to analyze this data, or if I have to make a dashboard using Tableau, it will be time consuming. So if I want to quickly make this dashboard, so I'll go to this Plotly, and this is a Plotly dashboard app, and let's bring it here. So once you open this, so you'll see I can say UI UX like this. So this is there, and then you can only, as of now, you can only work with two file formats. One is CSV and other is Parquet. Parquet format is very popular among data engineers, so they know what that file format is. So for this demo purpose we are using CSV format, so we'll click here, and let me go to my documents, and then this will import this. So once you are done with this, so as you can see we are at data upload, so it's done. Now we have to set the context. So this is beer sales data and I want to make a commercial planning dashboard this. So okay, so just to enhance this prompt, I'm using one I can say uh, language model which is very popular these days in India. It's called Perplexity. So I'm putting here, and please give me enhanced prompt to make a Plotly dashboard for beer sales. And for the sake of context, I'm also adding the same data file over here, which is this and this. So it is understanding and reading the data, and yes, let me see if we have got the prompt or not. So please help me with prompt for this. So this will be a sales dashboard for beer company sales and marketing team. This will be a sales dashboard for sales and SAL, sales and marketing team. Okay. So this language model is reading my data and analyzing my context over here. And okay, so give me a prompt so that I can make this dashboard using okay. Okay, still it's not clear with the instructions. It happens most of the time, so that's why I'm putting it here. And that is how most of us get stuck with these large language models. So let's try once again. Give me step by step context for this project. So excuse me for my spelling mistakes. Okay, so let's take this and let's put this into our Plotly Studio. Okay, and this is it. And so now we are done with the context. So what happened over here? Okay, so done with the context, and it will generate some outline for our project. So this is going to take some time over here. So let's wait for a while. And one thing I've also noticed, that even if you have some data and you don't know what kind of dashboard you're going to make in your Tableau or Power BI, so you can make use of this tool just to have like wireframe. So it's not exactly wireframe, but it is like I can say better version of a wireframe. It helps you to like where to put what for example putting filters or KPI cards and various visualizations. So let's see what it has done using its own smart system or generative AI system. So this is Kingfisher Beer commercial planning data app, commercial planning app for analyzing Kingfisher Beer sales performance across various products, region, channels, and time period to support strategic business decisions. And the charts it will be making trend over line chart and best selling Kingfisher product, regional sales distribution pie chart, channel pack size. Okay, so if I want, I can add another distribution chart for pack type. Okay, so I can add one more thing over here, and these are the filters. So as of now we are like keeping this as it is, and let's generate this dashboard. So now this whole thing is doing its magic. So setup is like, let's say data is done, so now it's working on the layout and the theme. So it will do its magic in the backend automatically, and yes, it takes some time, but not that time what we take to make actual Tableau and Power BI dashboards. So let's see what is happening over here. So yes, it finalized the theme. Now it's working on the filter components, I guess. So it is taking time, and meanwhile how to get this Plotly dashboard is what you can do is go to Google and search for Plotly Studio, and you'll get this, and here you can sign up for early access, and you can put your name and fill all details, so you'll get immediate email for with the access. And you have to download this .exe file in, I'm using Windows, so you have to install this in your Windows and sign up with your credentials, and you'll be seeing this kind of thing over here. I'll also share the link for Plotly dashboard sign up page. So meanwhile we can see over here the components, which is filter components, it's done now. It's the whole thing is done. So it made charts, pie charts, sales plot, monthly regional thing, everything automatically. As you can see, now we have a full-fledged, I can say, dashboard, working dashboard for our sales analytics. So this is fictional data, so you can assume that's very much biased for everything, but as you can see the dashboard is very very beautiful. It is running I can say Python in its backend. So if you want to see what is happening, so let's say you want to see what code it's running, so it's, as you can see, the whole thing is in Python. So importing this Plotly library and doing its magic. So all these things happened automatically thanks to the generative AI that they are using in backend. And the one thing is, like, if you want to see what this will look like, because this is our studio, so let's click over here, which is preview this app. So now it is hosted on your local machine, and that's how you're going to share this dashboard with other people. And let's see the functionality of this dashboard. So yes, it is giving me a date to see, and I can see like completed orders or partial orders. I'm seeing total orders, total revenue, you know, everything I can see. And this is like new way of I can say seeing the data analytics. And let's see liquor shops what they are doing. So you can filter pack type if I want to only see the cans. So this the whole thing will be for cans only. And this are the brands, how they are performing, which is the best selling. And this is the distribution of the sales. This is how each brand is performing with the discount. And this is heat map, this is a pie chart. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned, and we'll be bringing more interesting videos like this. Thank you.